The LI4278 allows workers to scan faster and farther as they can capture virtually any 1D barcode, including the barcodes printed on paper labels, on the screen of a mobile phone, tablet or computer. Built for all-day and everyday use, the LI4278 offers cordless freedom with Bluetooth compatibility. It also offers better encryption for improved security and better overall wireless performance. The LI4278 is backward compatible with its key accessory, the Cradle, which works with its cousins, the LS4278 and DS6878. Superior battery power management delivers the largest number of scans per battery charge to support scan-intensive applications. You can use it in dusty and wet environments, and it can survive a 6-foot (1.8 meter) drop. Top reviews from the United States. I did a quick look and found a $49 unit that has good plus ratings. Okay, so sometimes you get what you pay for. In the past, I have used several wired barcode scanners, and when the last cord got ripped out I decided to go wireless. I did a quick look and found a $49 unit that has good plus ratings. When it came it only did so on the reading. I have an appliance and flooring store and I use it to receive inventory from over 10 vendors. Some are clear and easy to read and some are under plastic or kind of crinkled up. I looked at this unit and thought 5 times the cost. But I thought let's try it, if it didn't do any better I would just send it back too. This is hands down the best barcode reader I have ever used. I pulled it out of the box and from up to 5 feet away I was shooting model and serial numbers. I have not yet had it not read a bar. Highly recommend even at the price.